Hey guys, I'm making my mineral whitening tooth powder, and I'll show you how to do it if you want to make it at home. Grab yourself a bowl. We're going to start with 4 tablespoons of bentonite clay. Now this will actually help to remineralize your tooth enamel. So next you want 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now this helps with plaque, gingivitis, bacteria, and it helps whiten too. So now you want to add 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. I use Celtic salt and then I grind it up so it's a powder fine in my mortar and pestle. Get it kind of like a fine powder, and this will actually promote healing, sore gums, anything like that. Now you want 3/4 of a teaspoon of activated charcoal, food grade. The activated charcoal will help to improve impurities in the teeth, make it white, help with bacteria, and it's also said that it helps with bad breath. My last ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of frankincense. I do the same thing. Put it in a mortar and pestle, grind it down to a fine powder, and add it to the mix. And this is what it ends up looking like. Mix those ingredients all together. Last thing I'm gonna do is add 10 drops of organic peppermint essential oil. Mix that up. It makes about 2 ounces of powder. You just take your toothbrush, apply your toothpaste, and dab a little bit of this on there. You're ready to go.